I said I'm changing receptacles in the new house. I said I hope to put a bed together today.
I have to drop it off anyways.
This is what I get. Last time I was here, this corner had flooded because when all that snow melted, we had a week of rain after it, and unfortunately, this room picked up some water. Basically, just coming in from under here and from back there. So we're gonna mark out for a French drain on two sides of this house. The trench has been dug. I have kind of evened out the base of it in there, so the pipe should sit without curving up and down, more or less a straight line all the way to the end. Now I'm going to start dumping rock in there. I'm going to need a lot more rock. A dozen bags didn't even get us to the end of the trench, so I'm gonna throw these away and then go get a couple dozen more bags of rocks. Gone another 20 feet. Getting Ben to start was the easy part. Getting him to quit only happened when he ran low on gas.
Let's lay some pipe!
Let's lay some pipe. Well, as you can see, we did not get nearly enough rock to actually cover the pipe. We have it contained on both sides for part of the length. And down there's no rock at all. It is cold, it is getting dark, we are running low on gas, but we have decided to cover it back up, and we will see if that actually happens. My fingers are not freezing. Well, here we are a few months later, and the trench in the back of the yard anyway is totally grown over. The stump that was right there is almost invisible, and it's even doing well up front, but I can't show you everything because unfortunately the French drain did not completely solve the problem, and I have another plan underway that I can't tell you about yet, but it rhymes with schmoncrete. Thanks for watching this edition of Stupid Home Improvement. Goodbye.